One day after President Biden visited Lahaina, Hawaii, recovery efforts are continuing as many fire victims begin the process of just starting to put their lives back together. Tanya Backus has the latest now from Lahaina.
Many people in Lahaina warmly welcomed President Biden and the First Lady Monday as they toured wildfire damage. But some residents are now anxious to see if the president's promises of unwavering federal aid are kept and when that help will arrive.
His words will be hollow unless there's action behind it.
Susie Richter lost her home in the fires.
What happens after this and what happens next? We're all watching. The world is watching.
The Biden administration has approved at least $8.2 million in federal aid, including $3 million in initial rental assistance that's already been handed out.
Country grieves with you, stands with you, and will do everything possible to help you recover, rebuild, and respect culture and traditions when the rebuilding takes place.
More than 1,000 federal personnel remain on the ground here on Maui, including nearly 450 search and rescue experts.
Hey, buddy, ready to go?
Christy Borman and her dog Canyon are one of 40 cadaver dog teams sifting through what remains.
We hate that this has happened to these people, but we're very passionate about getting answers for as many families as we can.
With hundreds of people still listed as missing, authorities expect the death toll to keep rising. Tanya Backus, CBS News, Lahaina, Hawaii.